Dear students, Assalamu alaikum. I hope you all are doing good inside your respective homes. Today, during class of English for class 11th students, I turned very much disappointed when I wrote down some sentences on the board and asked many students to recognize their tenses, and they failed ultimately. Some students came with the nice replies or correct replies, but the majority of the students were not able to recognize the tenses in which these sentences were written on the whiteboard. Dear students, I have already made you learn plenty of times the structure of tenses, and today we are discussing the present simple tense. It is a repeat class. Dear students, tenses are of three types mainly, that is present, past, and future. And present tense is subdivided into four subtenses, that is present simple, present continuous, present perfect, and present perfect continuous. Present simple is also called present indefinite, and present continuous is also called present progressive tense. But now question arises, how you can recognize the present simple tense. So simple it is. Its structure is very easy to understand. A tense or a sentence in which you find the first form of verb is present simple. A verb has almost four forms, that is present, past, past participle, and present participle. And these are almost four forms, and the rest two forms we will discuss on other day. A tense or a sentence in which you find the first form of the verb is present simple tense. But remember that the subject of the verb should be I, you, and plural, and there is no use of s, es, or ies with the first form of the verb. I am repeating the things. The subject of the verb should be you, I, and plurals. There is no use of s with the first form of verb or es or ies. For example, I catch a bird, you catch a bird, they catch a bird, boys catch a bird. But for the third person singulars, that is he, she, it, one single name, the first form of the verb carries with it either s, es, or is. For example, she catches bird, Ahmad catches bird, he catches bird. So with the first form of the verb, when subject is third person singular, the verb carries either s, es, or ies. I am repeating once again. With subject I, you, and plural, there is no s, es, or ies with the first form of the verb. But if the subject of the verb is third person singular, that is he, she, it, one single name, the verb carries with it s, es, or is. For example, I catch a bird, you catch a bird, they catch a bird, boys catch a bird. He catches bird, she catches bird, Ahmad catches bird. But question arises, how you can make interrogative and negative of the present simple tense. Dear students, with subject I, you, and plural, you can insert do before the first form of the verb, and its grammatical nature never changes, it remains as present simple. In but it turns a little bit emphatic, its meaning never changes. For example, I play cricket, you play cricket, they play cricket. You can write down it or you can rewrite it. I do play cricket, you do play cricket, they do play cricket. And I play cricket means I do play cricket. And by inserting do, I can make it negative as well as interrogative. I do play cricket. I do not play cricket. It is negative. And do I play cricket? Is it is interrogative. And similarly for third person singulars, he plays cricket. She plays cricket. Ahmad plays cricket. With third person singulars, does is used before the first form of the verb, and the verb which carries s, es, or is removed. For example, she plays cricket. She does play cricket. Ahmad plays cricket. Ahmad does play cricket. By inserting does, I can make it as negative and interrogative. For example, she plays cricket means she does play cricket. She does not play cricket is negative, and does she play cricket is it is interrogative. Dear students, I am once again repeating the things for you. Present simple tense is that tense in which you find the first form of the verb. A sentence, if is written on the whiteboard and it contains first form of the verb, it is present simple. But remember, with subject I, you, and plural, the verb never carries any s, es, or is. So with subject I, you, and they, no s, es, or is used. For third person singulars, if they are the subject of the verb, they carry s, es, or is with them. For example, he goes to school, she catches a bird, she tries hard. And with third person singulars, does is used before the first form of verb, and when we use does before the first form of the verb, the s, es, or ies is removed, and by inserting does, we can make it as negative and interrogative. I hope you have got an idea how to construct a present simple tense sentence, or how is the structure of present simple tense. And tomorrow, day after tomorrow, I will also repeat these things inside the class, but by the medium of this video, you can get an idea how present simple tense is formed and how its negative and interrogative can be formed. Dear students, you have to practice the things inside your homes after learning it from the school, because practice makes you perfect. And I have already told you, without putting extra efforts in your studies, without managing your time, no hidden force on the earth can help you unless and until you yourself concentrate on the things. Thanks. Be well said.